Hello everybody. Today is Friday, May 29th. It's 12:38 p.m. Eastern Time. In the market, this is a live chart of the BWT Precision Auto Trader. I wanted to show this on the Russell. This is the 5-tick Super Renko bar. Once again, we used limit orders. We got filled on a pullback here. This trade went off at about 11:30. So there was a couple of losers, a couple of winners and a couple of losers today. Started off with a couple of good winners here. And then followed by a couple of losers. And now we're in a really solid winner. We're either going to get stopped out. We've been trailing the stop. Stop has moved up quite a bit. We're either going to get stopped out or perhaps this will pop above this high here and go further. But looks like we're going to get stopped out. Before I go any further, the required disclosures. And I'm going to let this play and see how this trade works out. Okay, we just got stopped out on this trade, which brought us up to 1650 realized P&L for the day. This is the Russell. It's only trading 2 contracts. On this chart, I have the BWT Precision Natural Bands plotted here. I'll bring over another chart here. This is the Crude BWT Precision Renko. There's been a mixed bag of performance today on this, but it's still up about $400, most of it on this open position here. This is the E-mini S&P on a 15-minute chart, and this had 2 trades. One was a loser, and then the second position was closed here on the short off the open, and the net was 975. This is the Russell on a really small time frame, only a 2-tick Super Renko. It's a limit order, and this one is up around 600 for the day. It's still early in the session, well, a little past mid-session anyway, 12:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and these run a little bit and then come back. Okay, stopped out for a small loss on this one. You have to be careful with these really small time frames. Really, they should be traded with a profit goal. Otherwise, they can overtrade. So they should be traded with a profit goal. This was up about $800 in the early going. Actually, from 9:30, it was up almost $1,000 by 11 o'clock. You can see the equity curve here. Okay, took another position on this 2 range, very active. Okay, so we got a nice winner working on this chart and trailing the stop. So maybe we'll get lucky and the market will retrace down to the bottom of this swing here. One advantage of a time frame of this size is that these losers are not that large. This was short was entered at 1258. No, it was entered at 1251.4 and stopped out at 1258, which is only about 8 ticks. This loser was only a couple of ticks. All right, so we're stopped out here and it reversed, made up for some of this couple of losing trades here. Meanwhile, we have a monster position on the crude oil BWT Super Renko 7 tick. There's over 100 ticks in this trade. This is a limit order, which was filled here at 59.53 on 2 contracts, and the market is at 60.08. So sorry about that. That's about 55 ticks on 2 contracts. So came back from a deficit of minus 400 earlier in the day. Bunch of small losers in a row here, and then finally broke out of that. So again, it just goes to show that things can change very rapidly in a market like this. Also notice that because these are limit orders, these losers are relatively small, and the system can handle more losers before it hits on a big winner. Well, this trade really looking nice here. Okay, we were stopped out of this trade because we hit our profit goal of $1,200, which you can see in the lower right. I'm going to go ahead and switch to the 15-minute ES chart, which is currently long. We were flat, and it took a long position here, and it's currently in the money. We'll see how far this gets. Back to our Russell Super Renko 2 tick. Once again, you see our limit order. So during that, while we were watching the crude, there were several trades here, some winners and losers, and now we have another decent breakout. So it looks like this is going to break $1,000 in profit for the day. But keep in mind, on a time frame like this, you will have more commissions, more trades, more commissions. The thing is you can customize your money management, your contract, profit targets, filters, trailing stops. Everything is open for you to customize to your own trading style and your own preferences. Okay, so this trade was stopped out. It didn't go short. Okay, I think that's enough for this video. If you'd like to find out more about the BWT Precision Auto Trader, please visit our website at bluewavetrading.com or contact us by email at systems@bluewavetrading.com or give us a call at the phone number on the website.